Explore the incredible Daphne Selfe, at 96 years old, is the world's oldest working model. She began her modeling career in 1949 and has since become an icon in the fashion industry, defying age stereotypes with her timeless beauty and unwavering passion for the craft. Despite facing personal challenges, such as the loss of her husband, Daphne's dedication to modeling never wavered. In 1998, at the age of 70, she made a remarkable comeback, walking the runway at London Fashion Week and inspiring a renaissance in the industry. Since then, Daphne has continued to work with renowned photographers and brands, sharing her secrets to maintaining her vitality and energy through diet, skincare, and workout routine. Her remarkable journey and contributions to the fashion world have earned her recognition, including a British Empire Medal in 2019. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Daphne Selfe diet routine. Daphne Selfe, the 96-year-old supermodel, follows a healthy and disciplined diet that has contributed to her longevity and youthful appearance. Daphne Selfe's diet plays a significant role in her weight management. 1. Eating a variety of vegetables. She emphasizes the importance of a vegetable-rich diet, which supports her overall health and well-being. 2. Incorporating superfoods. Her diet includes superfoods like quinoa, chia seeds, and kefir, which provide essential nutrients and support her weight management and skincare regimen. 3. Healthy portion control. She eats little and often, and is careful not to overindulge, ensuring she maintains a balanced diet without extreme restrictions. 4. Avoiding food waste. She uses leftovers, reflecting her disciplined approach to eating and reducing food waste. 5. Staying hydrated. She drinks probiotic-rich beverages like kefir and kombucha to support her gut health and overall vitality. These habits, combined with her active lifestyle and positive attitude, contribute to her successful weight management and overall health. Daphne Selfe skincare routine. 1. Cleansing. Daphne follows the cleanse, tone, and nourish routine. She removes her makeup every night before bed. 2. Serums. Daphne uses the Pure Serenity Golden Vitamin C Serum from the Lume Beauty line. She applies it morning and night, and even presses it over her makeup for a radiant finish. 3. Facial oils. Daphne follows up the serum with the Awaken Glow Elixir Oil from Lume Beauty for maximum hydration. 4. Exfoliation. Twice a week, Daphne uses the Renew and Brighten Polishing Mini Facial from Lume Beauty in the shower before bed. This gentle exfoliating cleanser mask combo helps remove impurities and prep her skin for her evening skincare routine. 5. Facial tools. Daphne has recently incorporated a gua sha tool into her routine, which she finds effective at detoxifying her skin, boosting glow, and adding definition to her cheekbones and jawline. 6. Hydration. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is a key part of Daphne's skincare regimen. She constantly advises others to do the same, as proper hydration is crucial for skin health. Daphne Selfe's workout routine includes morning ballet stretches. She starts her day with ballet stretches to keep her body flexible and agile. Yoga. She practices yoga daily, which has been a part of her routine for many years. This helps her maintain flexibility and overall physical fitness. These exercises, combined with her disciplined approach to diet and lifestyle, contribute to her remarkable physical and mental well-being at 96 years old.